You know what? I feel that this is a beautiful city right here, right now, right?
Drama, the one source of much more drama. Blunt force trauma on your front porch. I'm a kamikaze on a kamanazi. On a Kawasaki plowing through some paparazzi. How they try to stop me but I turned into smoke. I rose into a cloud, now everything is soaked.
What's happening? You know what? It's not cheetah, it's leopard.
Okay, it's leopard.
Real leopard. Look, feel through there. Look, through the.
Oh yeah, that's real, dude.
That's real. Ace, washing dirt shirt.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Tell me about the 2017 season. You got some W's. How's it feel? Cinderella won last weekend.
Yep, and even both coasts. West Coast is going good, you know, like Austin's been doing really good. Hill's been doing great. And then coming on this side now, both guys have got a win. And what is it? Joey's 6 points out and Adam's 9 points out. And they went 1-2 at Daytona. It was awesome.
It's been a while for Cinderella, dude. 3 years?
Yep, 2014.
How's he doing?
Good. I mean, he's healthy, which is great. Speed's coming around, so I think we're good. Like, hopefully for the rest of the season, they can make up points.
That second practice got a little aggressive.
Yeah.
Since we're always banging around, playing around, tell me about that.
Yeah, we had a couple run-ins there, and pretty gnarly, but yeah, it is what it is, I guess. I mean, yeah, I don't know.
Had a little whip deal, Osborne collision.
I thought it was fine.
What happened, dude? Talk to me about it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, we can't even talk about it.
I don't know.
Footage. I'm gonna roll the footage.
Osborne is like kind of already on probation in my mind because he's just a little bit sketchy sometimes. I feel like he runs it in there, and so I was just looking back on it on video. It doesn't look bad at all what he did, but it just kind of pissed me off a little bit, and so I just wanted to let him know that I don't appreciate him coming that close to me in practice. And then, you know, I bumped him. I definitely bumped him. I didn't T-bone him. I definitely bumped him, and then he kind of, I think he escalated it a little bit, definitely took it up a couple levels, but it wouldn't have been that big of a deal if I didn't jump off the track and kind of dab my legs. So it is what it is. It's motocross. I'm not complaining.
Wow. Dirt Shark is here.
We out here.
Dirt Shark is here.
Sorry, watch us talk to me, dude. Tell me about the yellow bike.
I like the yellow bike. I've been getting better and better slowly and surely. Hasn't been easy coming back, but I'm having fun.
You still scrapping whip on that yellow bike?
Yeah, we need to do a new.
What about Bamland too? Are you on the track? I
we
wanna
need
talk
to like.
about that.
Well, I was actually thinking about the other day. I watched old Bamland and I was like getting amped. Location though, but
Is your track set?
it's the same right now. I mean, I can make changes though. You might need to get some like metal
So you can
rims.
still crack the yellow bike?
Oh, I can crack the yellow bike hard. Crack it like a yoke.
You're the big show, dude. America.
Yeah,
How is it?
finally time, yeah. It's good to be here, to be on this famous championship. I have 4 years of World Championship experience, but like, Supercross is definitely really, really different. It's so intense and so short here. So,
Are the riders fast? Are they aggressive compared to Europe?
I don't know. I don't think they are like more aggressive. It's just the map of the track make him. If you want to pass, you have to be aggressive. So just that. But I'm not sure they are more aggressive than Europe. The same.
You got a podium last weekend.
Yeah, it was awesome. Wow.
Sick.
Podium in Daytona. It's unbelievable. After 4 races, it was just the dream come true and one of our first goal completion.
Well, you're looking fast, dude. Good luck.
Thank you.
Eli, what's different right now than before? Why are we winning now? Beginning of the season, I think you started off a little slow and then it just got in the groove.
Before Phoenix, we made changes to the motorcycle and CDP, so it's good.
All right, Cloud, now, do you think you can win the championship still?
Oh yeah, we're in it. We're in it.
You think Dungey's scared?
It better be. It was all right. Definitely wasn't my best performance, but you know, tightened up a little bit, didn't adapt to the track, and a little bumping and grinding. So has a little bit of feel going forward, and a little bit of feel with fire, I should say. And if bumping's bumping, then you know, we'll have a good time. We're in this for the long run. He might have beat me tonight, but you know, we got 4 more rounds, I think it is, and we'll be there.
Feels good. That was an intense race with Joey. He was right there the whole time, and yeah, I feel good about it. I mean, I'm happy to take home another win here in Indy, and back to the grindstone on Monday.
Second place, dude.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, overall, really good day. Fastest qualifying. I won my first heat race. I mean, of my career, so pretty crazy to think that. But I thought it was going to be a perfect day, winning the main maybe, but that was a tough one.
Indy, dude, rip the old starts, man. Drop the hammer.
How did it feel? Did you feel anybody behind you? Or was it pretty well raced?
You know, it was tough because there was times where they were catching me. You know, I was you know, marking them on the track, and about halfway, you know, I felt like I think it was either Ryan or Marvin, you know, getting a little bit close. Took some breaths and went back to work the last half. So I'm glad I was able to keep her on top.
Where are the points now?
Points are at what, 12 or something. So it was a good grab again, you know, with Marvin in between us. So good stuff.
Wait, these are El Hombre's chicks? Yeah. Oh, yeah, these are. So you guys are the groupies waiting for El Hombre?
El Hombre, I think I want a mustache ride.
Okay. Yeah, El Hombre. Yeah, dude, we got some groupies out here.
Red hats?
Yeah, we got some groupies out here, dude. You gotta come check them out.
No, this is for my dude. Like, see, someone's got a bit of an attitude, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I slide him over to this guy. I take him down on the occasion, but...
I don't let him know. Thanks, El Hombre. What'd you do to your arm? El Hombre's groupie.
A bad crash on a YZ250.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You like chicks on two-strokes. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, girls,
yeah,
you have a good one.
For.